Oh my god, again. Look what they found in McDonald's chicken nugget. This is unbelievable, but food scandals at McDonald's won't stop shock their customers. Consumers keep finding things in their McDonald's meals, and this weird situations happen a lot in the last few years. This unbelievable story happened when a woman ordered some chicken nuggets at the local McDonald's. But, it was shocking when Nikki had the first bite. She got more than she paid for. There was a worm thing hanging out of the chicken nugget and it had a very bad smell. Nikki Sanders ordered a Happy Meal for her daughter, Emily. The 4-year-old girl was not hungry at all, so her mother decided to eat the nuggets. In the interview she gave for the local newspaper, Nikki said, "I just took a bite from the chicken nugget and it tasted odd. I suddenly saw a pink stringy thing hanging down and spat the rest of the nugget out into the bag. I couldn't believe it, I just felt sick." The BPM media reported that the unhappy family found a worm in their McDonald's chicken nuggets. The mom, Nikki Sanders, 30 years old, was a real fan of fast food until she ordered the Happy Meal for her daughter. Even though Sanders is a canteen worker, she could not imagine what does actually happen in places where food is being served. She was not happy at all to see the worm that hanged out of the batter that surrounded the nugget she was holding in her hand. Emily did not want to eat the meal her mom bought on Sunday from Tamworth's Ventura Park. Nikki had to eat the whole meal by herself. The strange thing in her nugget made her sick. Nikki Sanders also told the Mirror, "I'm very fussy about what I eat, and when I saw what was in the chicken nugget I went white. I'm just thankful Emily decided she didn't want her Happy Meal. One good thing has come out of this though. It's turned me off processed meat. I'm eating a lot healthier now." Neil, Nikki's husband, wasn't even surprised of this situation. He said that this thing looks like a worm, but he can't be positive that it's one until the tests have been carried out. "Whatever it is, it shouldn't be in there," he said. McDonald's offered the family free meals for the unpleasant experience they had to go through. The company's spokesperson apologized to the Sanders family and explained that food safety and quality are their top priority. The same applied to customers' satisfaction, but obviously that was not the case with Nikki and her 4-year-old daughter.